Hello everybody, this is your Miss MS T home cooking. We have a pork shank over here, or pig feet. It's been washed 3 to 4 times and we're going to put it in our pressure cooker pot. That's roughly about 4 pounds. We're gonna put half of a medium onions. You can put more if you want. You can put a tablespoon of coarse black pepper. If you have a peppercorn, just grind it a little bit, break it. That's what I mean. And we're going to put 2 tablespoons of onion granulated, a tablespoon of celery salt, paprika, give it a smoky flavor and also color, a tablespoon of chili powder. Oh, this is not open yet. I just find that I got 2 containers of chili powder, a tablespoon of chili powder, bay leaf. This is broken leaf, so let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 or 6 leaves. A bouillon of your choice, either beef bouillon or chicken bouillon. I'm putting 2 tablespoons. This is actually Blk.Eyed Peas, 2 cups, and it's been soaking overnight. So it looks like it's about 3 cups right now. So we're gonna put all of that in here. And we're gonna add some water. Alright, water. Let's see how much we can put on. I don't want to put too much. 2, 3, 4, 5 cups. Alright, you can see it right there, right? I don't want it too soupy. I'm gonna put this in a pressure cooker for 20 minutes, and I'm going to check it after 20 minutes because I don't want it too soft or like overcooked. I just want the bean dissolve a little bit, and the pig feet, I just don't want it to be too soft. I want it a little bit of give it a little bit of what you call the texture, so it's kind of like 80% soft but not overcooked. So yeah, let's put it in a mid setting for 20 minutes. There you go guys, mid setting for 20 minutes. Okay, we'll just wait. Alright guys, oh, looking good, isn't it? Looking good. So cool. We're actually going to finish this in a regular pot on top of the stove top. Okay, so just let the liquid come in. It's not about 60% soft. So yeah, we're gonna finish this in a regular stove top, guys. You know what guys, I don't want to dirty up another pot, so I put it back mid setting in another 20 minutes. Alright, let's wait for another 20 minutes. There you go guys, I already transferred our pork hacks or pig feet in a pot. So I ending up cooking it in a pressure cooker for 40 minutes. Alright, I don't have my fork in here. So it's actually, it's 80%, so, oh actually 90. It's perfect. So we don't want it to fall apart. Then we're gonna taste the we're gonna adjust the flavor right now. It smells good guys, it's not gamey. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna finish it in this pot that we have. Oh yum. You know what, it doesn't need anything. Just gonna let it simmer for couple of minutes, 10 to 20, 15 to 20, and it's perfect to put on top of the rice, guys. I put it in a medium fire, so we're just gonna simmer it. Cover 15 to 20 minutes. Here's our finished product, guys. A different way of cooking ham hock, not ham hocks, fig feet, or pork shank. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, and let me know. Happy cooking! Thank you guys for watching.